Easy pickups. I don't know if the balance is truly restored for sneakers and even clothing, but I'll take it. The brand new arrival from Naked Copenhagen, another UK retailer that will see me again. Actually, they already saw me. I have the workwear pair on the way, but fast shipping. Yes, they double box. They do double box your sneaker. Straight out the box. I'm so excited to have this pair in hand. Now I know it's probably just another great New Balance, so who cares? Well, I care, because the 9060 is quite possibly the best brand new silhouette to come out of 2022. Mesh as the base, great leather quality, MB 9060 in bright red and black on the tongue. We have MB on the back heel, and again, the suede paneling will wrap around the sneaker itself, but it's just a mix of materials overall, the way they play around with the different shades. And then you also have those pops of 3M present on the insole and on the upper of the sneaker. The tech provides all-day comfort, and I do mean all-day comfort. I love putting on the 9060. Now, this is the Joe Freshgoods Penny Cookie Pink. Of course, we had the Baby Shower Blue colorway as well. Now, the collaborative pair, it's elevated a little bit. Clearly, you can see all of the little fine details, even the quilted inner sock liner. It's amazing, and it's rare that we get a side-by-side of a GR and a collab that still delivers in every way, shape, and form. And that's what you see here, side-by-side for Rain Cloud and Penny Cookie Pink. So truly, if you never got your hand on the Joe Freshgoods collaboration, or maybe it just wasn't your colorway, I would say give the GRs a chance.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and you already know what time it is. It's October. Playoff baseball is here. So going up against Cleveland for the first series, and I am very excited. That probably means some longer nights for me, but I will weather through it, because that's what you do when you're a fan of whatever sports team you cheer for. Now, on to the video. Yes, just 3 quick items, and easy pickups they're a blessing. We haven't seen them in a while. You know, they were endangered unless you were really just going into a physical store or shopping online for anything that may not have had everyone's attention. Not to say that everything was difficult to get, because that would be very, very false. However, for newer models that may be highlighted everywhere, yeah, it's a little bit difficult, and we've seen that with New Balance. We've seen that with some other styles as well and brands, but the 9060, this one back here, side note, I am making concerted effort to like change out like at least the 2 top rows right there behind me. I appreciate the subscriber that noticed that. I really do. But yeah, now, side note, that means I have pairs like all on the floor right here, but that's okay. Wanted to change it up. So this 9060 behind me, what you guys saw in the quick unboxing, one of I would actually say my favorite new model for 2022. That might take the crown hands down for the best new sneaker model for 2022. Absolutely in love with it, the materials, just everything about it. And it's not always the case for a collaborative pair to hit really well, right? And then a GR follow up and do the exact same. And so I think that's where New Balance may rank above some of the other brands in terms of their GRs delivering the same value that a collaboration sneaker can. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's only $150, so that's a really nice change. Cheaper than retros and cheaper than even just some collabs you may pick up with Adidas. It's certainly cheaper than Yeezy. So for the 9060, this is the Rain Cloud colorway. I have workwear on the way as well. I'm holding off on Indigo, but know that I love all 3 of them. So you guys are seeing this on foot, nothing crazy extensive on foot, but you are able to see it on foot. And I went true to size on this, so I got my just true men's 6. New Balance tends to at least provide a decent room for me in the 90-60. Then some of the other models, like I will find like the 997 is just a tad bit tighter, I guess, in a true 6, so those I may choose to go up. But for the 90-60, perfect fit for a size 6 men's, which is a 7.5 women's. And then for Supreme, we're in great days because you don't have to fight for a lot of items. Now that won't be for every item. North Face, their drop will happen soon with Supreme, which means that could be difficult. I don't think I need anything. If you guys recall, I picked up the reversible jacket with Timberland in Supreme last year, and it's very, very warm, so I don't need to break that out right now. But I picked that up. I don't think I need a North Face, even though it's probably gonna look decently well. The last one they did looked really good, but I didn't pick that up then. So I'm wearing just the regular, listen, basic tee. It's gray, blue, I believe it's like a reddish orange on there. And a lot of the Supreme tees I have, they have like that type font across. I like it. It's classic. It's easy to throw on. It doesn't have to be anything over the top. Yeah, I got a gray tee. I went with the size medium just because, yes, I like the oversized aesthetic. If I were to go true to size, then yeah, that would have been a men's small or just a small on Supreme's website. And finally, the most comfortable pair of shorts I think I own right now by Alpha Forward. So I've shown you guys some of their things before. The t-shirt that you guys saw with the Fear of God relaxed trousers, the white one that's like super stretchy. Yeah, I'm wearing their shorts. So they came out with new sweat shorts and they are perfect. I mean, perfect. Now, it's a brand that's really focused on women that will fall in between. Hey, I'm not really feminine, and yes, I work out, so I also don't want to always have to go steal all of my clothes from the men's section. And that's where like the cuts are a little bit different, right? These sweat shorts don't go all the way down to like my actual kneecap, which is nice. If you want to wear these in the gym, they are spot on in terms of the inseam. I really like that. So I have these right now in the nickel colorway. I'm pretty sure by the time I'm done editing this, I may or may not have gone back for another colorway because they sell out pretty fast, and it's one of my favorite brands in my collection to wear, especially to transition from the gym to lifestyle. So it's great for athleisure. So ladies and even men, you may find some things that you like. Hey, by all means, go ahead, browse the site. But you guys are just seeing 3 recent pickups, all in gray. All in gray. So you guys know I like to play on grayscale, earth tones, doesn't matter, but I appreciate you tuning in for this quick video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.